Hello students, I am Hafija Begum from Department of Commerce. So here in this video I am going to explain the important 2 marks from Unit 5 in Cost Accounting 2. To come to the first question, what is reconciliation? A reconciliation means tallying the profit relieved by both set of accounts. Both set of accounts means one is cost account and another one is financial account. It aims at finding out the reason for disagreement of gross profit. The reconciliation is the process of matching transactions that have been recorded internally against a monthly statement from external resource. And here, if there any different in the records, it will be verified or not. Question: what is reconciliation statement? A reconciliation statement is a document that begins with a company's own record of an account balance, add and subtracts, reconciling items in set of additional columns, and then uses these adjustments to arrive at the record of the same account held by a third party. Next question: what do you mean by reconciliation of cost and financial account? Reconciliation of cost and financial account is process to find all the reasons behind disagreement in profit, which is calculated as per cost accounts and as per financial account. So in the reconciliation statement, it helps to ensure that mathematical accuracy and reliability of the cost account as well the financial account. Come to the next question. State the needs for reconciliation. First point is a numerical accuracy. A numerical accuracy means basic arithmetical accuracy of both set of books can be ensured. Next point, comparability. Comparability is a common classification of all major expenses make both set of books more comparable. And next is coordination and cooperation. Coordination and cooperation is between the activities of costing and financial sections of the accounting department. Last is standardization. Standardization means policies relating to stock valuation, depreciations and absorption of overhead tend to become standardized in a long run due to reconciliation. Thank you.